Make we scatter this place tonight. Dance and sweating like in a fight. We must settle this thing tonight. Yeah. Come, let us catch some feelings for night. Yeah. And if you tell me, say make a bello, bello. I don't go waste time, but to do like so. Bello, bello. Give me joy, this love.
Hey guys, welcome again to my channel. So I decided that I'm gonna just do this quick look, you know, purple. I love purple and I just wanted to create this look. Yeah, and I kind of was having a difficult time with the Morphe palette. This is the Saharan 2 palette, and of course it's doing a good job, but I kind of had a difficult time with this purple from the Morphe 35O palette. But let me just get to the video. So I use the orange, this red from the Morphe 35B palette, the red. I use the red, and then I use this burnt orange shade from the Saharan 2 palette, and I just use it to blend out the transition shade, or just to blend out the red. I wasn't really going for a purple look, but I wasn't getting the you know, the pigment from the Morphe 35O palette that I wanted. So I just decided to go in with this look. So I basically use a black now to basically define my crease, and then I'm going in with this fluffy brush now to just blend out the same burnt orange shade, just to give it that look. And then I went in with this MAC 221 brush dupe and I just used that now to clean up the edges, cause yeah. And I don't know, the eyeshadows, they weren't, I don't know if it's because I mixed the two, like the Morphe and the Saharan, or I'm not sure, or if it's base or whatever. I'm not sure why it was like that, but I'm just playing with these palettes together to see how well they work together, like the formula and so forth. So yeah, so I'm just gonna like cut my crease. It's not really a cut crease, but I'm just doing it in order to get the eyeshadow to lay on my eyes, you know what I'm saying. The pigment. So I'm going in with that color, and I just added that to the inner portions of my eyes. As you can see, it looks pale in the pan, but when I add it to my eyes, it gives me this nice, you know, purplish, light purple kind of look. And I just basically use that as the base, because I'm gonna go in with this Faso, that's the name, with this duochromish bluish purplish color from the Juvia'S palette. But I'm gonna be using those three colors as you see, and I'm going in with a lighter purple now at the inner portion of my crease, just adding that and just blending it. And as you can see guys, I'm giving you the eyeshadows in their rawest form. The eyeshadow that I'm adding now, it is the Morphe eyeshadows. What I notice about the Morphe palette is, it is like, I think this new batch that they've added so much pigment to the shadows, like just a lot of pigment. That's what I noticed. They have a lot of pigment and a lot of kickback. I don't know, but I'm going in with that shade now from my Magic palette from Juvia'S, and I'm telling you guys, Juvia'S eyeshadows, they are the best. So I'm using that now at the inner portion of my eyes, and I just blended that, as you can see. I was just going for this purplish duochrome, like, yeah, holographic, I don't know. And as you can see guys, as I said before, I don't know what was happening with the shadow from the Morphe palette, but it wasn't like blending. I'm not sure what was happening, but it wasn't blending properly. I'm not sure why. But anyway, I just tried, and as you can see, it gave me a lot of fallout. I'm not sure why. I'm not sure if it's because of the base, or if it's because I didn't add any of the concealer to that portion of my eyes. But anyway, I just worked with it, and yeah. So now I'm adding this silver shade or color, shimmery color from the Magic palette, and I'm just adding that to the inner portion of my eyes. I think for some reason I think I've done this look before. I don't know. But yeah, I just love purple. So yeah, and I love that, you know, shiny, pretty eye kind of look. It just these shimmery colors complements my eyes, you know what I'm saying? But I'm just adding that silvery shade to the inner portion, and I added some of the same purple that we used in the Morphe 35O palette. I added that to my lower lash line, and then I added some of that red shade now under the purple shade or color. And it, after blending and doing everything, it came out, it wasn't like the best perfect, but it came out okay. It was okay. It was fine for me. I don't know. It looks okay to me. Is it okay? It still has a little bit of, you know, splashy. It looks a little bit splashy, but I can work with it. So I just basically use the concealer to just clean up the right there, the outer V, because I wanted it to give me this sharp end to. I wanted it to like imitate like a wing line. You know what I'm saying? But I just wanted the eyeshadows to give my eye shape that, you know, that look. I don't know if you're understanding what I'm saying. Yes, but that's what I was going for, guys, that sharp, yeah, wing line kind of look. But I didn't want to do like a black wing line with these shadows, you know what I'm saying, because they're like very cool, and it's winter and I'm it's summer and I'm like wearing cool colors. But it's fine because, you know, there are no rules to anything. Yeah. Well, this is my finished look. So I went in and I added my lashes, guys, and as you can see, my eyes are looking very nice so far, even though I had difficulties, you know, with blending and so forth. So I'm adding my I'm adding my elf baked highlighter, and I just added some to, you know, the highest points of my cheekbone, and I also added some to my nose. And guys, I just went in with my normal foundation routine. LA Girls concealer, orange corrector, use my coated earspun powder to just, you know, set the highlighted portions, and that's it, guys. This is the look. I love it. And I went in with some lip gloss because, you know, I'm about lip glosses and so forth. I think I should change it up pretty soon, guys. Don't worry, I'm gonna change it up soon, and some colors. This is my finished look, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.